Hi, I am Sabisach, and today I want to introduce you to our project, that is the Smart Vehicle Monitoring System and Smart Parking. Now, we have used several components in the project, which will be explained by my teammates.
Hi, I am Alkananda Panda, and I am going to show you the component we have used, that is a relay module. And through the relay module, we have controlled two feature, like one fan is there, as you can see. But in the car, we can tell that it will work like a AC. But here we are introduce it as a fan, and one is the light. As you can see, the green light. So in our Blink app, there is a switch is there called, one is the light switch and one is the fan. When we can control the fan and light according to our requirement through the app, and also it is controlled by the Alexa assistant. We can give our command according to the requirement. As if there is a high temperature, then we can turn on the fan, and like that we can control it through the Alexa also. Now I would like to request.
Hello everyone, this is temperature sensor. It is used for monitoring internal temperature of our vehicle, and according to turn on AC, according to the temperature sensor.
Hello everyone, and we are using this LDI sensor and II sensor. These two are used for sensing the person if he closer to the vehicle, and it only works in nights because we are using LDR. LDR sense the light. If light is not available, then this system will work. And this is II sensor. If we closer towards the II sensor, the lights will turn on automatically, and it's helpful to at night when a person do not find their car, and if we saw their car, if he closer to car, he will turn on the light according to our II sensor. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the project. Basically, this is a IS sensor which is connected to a buzzer. Its main function is to when you're reversing the car, or when there is an obstacle behind it, it can detect it and the buzzer will go off, and the owner will know about that there is an obstacle behind it.
Now I would like to show you how we have managed to do the Alexa and the connection with the server. We are using the Blink server. So here we have the Blink dashboard, which is showing various parameters, which is the temperature which is inside the car. Currently it is 29 degrees. The humidity inside the car is 88%, and also the position is which is being fed by using the GPS module, which can actually lively track the vehicle at all times. Now, using the Blink dashboard, you can also command the lights and fan to go on and off simultaneously.
We can also see the temperature and humidity data in the app.
We can also see the GPS location in our Android phone, and you can use also in iOS operating system.
We have made the application as well. As you can see, this is the longitude and the latitude that we have made, and it is detecting the data real time, as well as we can control the lights and the fan.
The light is now.
Now you can see this fan will turn on.
The fan is now turning, it is on now, and similarly the light can also be shown. Similarly, we can also control it using the Alexa voice commands. what we have to say is Alexa, trigger cabin lights. As you can see, the Alexa voice command works fine. Similarly, we can also switch off. Alexa, trigger lights off. Similarly, we can also control the fan by saying Alexa, trigger cabin control. You can also switch off the fan by saying Alexa, trigger cabin off. So thank you. That's our project, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.